Hi guys, today I will be talking about 360 degree feedback, and this is a very important performance appraisal method, and this is also a very famous performance appraisal method used by the organization. So this will be the basics of 360 degree feedback. In 360 degree feedback, it is a performance appraisal method which is used to improve the overall managerial effectiveness, and it also provide a manager a complete effective like background, or we can say that the overall view or picture of an employee and what employee is performing over a period of year and how the employee is performing. And it will also give you in-depth details about the development needs, and it will also help you about the training needs of employee and the overall satisfaction. So this is a very important part of an organization to conduct 360 degree feedback surveys and 360 feedback appraisals, we usually called it. It is also called multi-rater feedback, multi-source feedback, full circle appraisal, or group performance review. So basically it will be from 3 different dimensions, and every dimension will give you a different overview and perspective of that employee. So like first of all, it can be from your peer, it can be from your department, it can be from your management, and it can be from an overall top management or from another department. So 360 degree feedback has to include like different sources for the performance of the organization. So most of the time bigger complex organizations use it because they want to know complete in-depth details and they want to improve. Smaller organizations will not be going for 360 degree feedback because when we have very less number of employees and very less number of department, we will be using the straightforward type of thing for getting the feedback from the employees. So for 360 degree feedback, we need proper questionnaires, we need proper surveys to understand the effectiveness of the employee. And this is not just about taking any survey and giving to the employees. You have to see that the every question in the 360 feedback has to play an important role, and what is the outcome of that performance appraisal. So let's go into a brief history of 360 degree feedback. So when we are talking about brief history, 360 methods have roots as early as 1940. So you can see that it is being from 1940 and it is used on the exact technique and like it is used for the employees management. So we don't know in the 1940s what it is used for, but basically it is very famous from that. And most of the scholars agree that 360 degree feedback has historical context within the military. So this is like, we know that in military we have like performance and very strict kind of thing. So it can be root from there, like from the military and going to the civilian side, and organizations start using it. So basically in 1950s and 60 it was used in United States, and then further it is also used in US Naval Academy, and then during 1960 and 1970s it is used in Nestle, Federal Express, RCA, and nowadays when we are talking about 2018, it is used in most of the bigger organizations like Journal, GE, and then we are talking about Nissan, we can talk about Toyota, we can talk about many bigger organizations. So it is used by most of them for measuring the performance of the appraisal. So this is the very basic history of 360 degree feedback. In my next video I will go into further details of 360 degree feedback. So stay updated, like and subscribe to my channel, share to other people. Thank you.